BitTorrent value comparable to 0.00048 a coin, the current range 0.00046.0.0000048 and an extraordinarily important way the previous day closing $0.00046 in a straightforward approach, the change was plus 0.0002. Plus 4.35 backwards rate United States dollars to BTT BitTorrent cost forecast for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 BitTorrent cost forecast for July 2023, before all other costs at 0.00048 most extreme cost 0.00049 lowest cost 0.00041.00 monthly average 0.00046 BitTorrent cost gauge in months and 0.00044 change in July 8.3 BTT to US dollar forecasts for August 2023 in the top place at 0.00044 highest cost 0.00049 is the lowest cost. 0.00039 is the monthly average 0.00044 extremely high BitTorrent cost number for the months and 0.00042 change for August 4.5% BitTorrent cost projection for September 2023 at the outset cost of 0.00042 most extreme cost 0.00042 sort of least expensive $0.0000033 the month's average of 0.00038 and in an inconspicuous manner, in an unobtrusive manner. BitTorrent cost gauge toward the months and 0.00035 change for September 16.7 BTT to US dollar predictions for October 2023 in the first place cost at 0.00035, which is actually important highest cost. 0.00035 is the lowest cost. 0.00030 is the monthly average 0.00033 very BitTorrent cost gauge toward the months and $0.00032 change for October 8.6 BitTorrent cost projection for November 2023 in a truly big way before all else cost at 0.00032. Which is actually huge greatest cost 0.00035 is the lowest cost. 0.00031 the average for the month 0.00033 BitTorrent cost estimate for the months and 0.00033 change for November 3.1 BTT to US dollars expectations for December 2023 to begin at 0.00033 largest cost 0.00033 least cost 0.00026. For the month, the navigation is usual in every manner that matters. 0.00030 BitTorrent cost gauge for the months and 0.00028 change for December 15.2 BitTorrent cost forecast for January 2024. Which is generally extremely critical first and foremost cost at 0.00028 highest cost 0.00030 lowest cost 0.00026 astonishingly, the particularly normal, for the month 0.00028 in a significant way BitTorrent cost gauge toward the months and 0.00028 change. For January 0.0 BTT to United States dollars expectations for February 2024, or so they thought initial actually cost at 0.00028 most extreme, cost 0.00034 least cost 0.00028 the normal for the month $0.00031 and a sort of significant manner BitTorrent cost estimate for the month of N0.00032 change for February 14.3 BitTorrent cost forecast for WOC 2024 first and foremost cost at 0.00032 highest cost 0.00032 lowest cost 0.00026 is the monthly average 0.00030. Bittorrent cost forecast for the months and 0.00000028 change for spring 12.5% BTT to US dollar forecast for April 2024 before all else cost at 0.00028 most extreme cost 0.000028 least cost 0.000022 exceptionally normal for the month 0.000026. Bittorrent cost forecast for the months and 0.000024 change for April 14.3. The beginning cost of Bittorrent for May 2024 is 0.00024. Most extreme cost 0.000027 least extreme cost 0.000023 the average for the month 0.000025 Bittorrent cost figure toward the months and 0.000025 change for May 4.2 BTT to United States dollars estimates for June 2024 in a straightforward way first and foremost. Cost at 0.00025 0.0000025 the least expensive $0.00020 the average for the month 0.0000023 Bittorrent cost gauge toward the months and 0.0000022 change for June 12.0 Bittorrent cost forecast for July 2024 to begin at 0.00022. Largest cost $0.00022, least cost $0.00022. Bitcoin price predictions and Ethereum price predictions, BTC and ETH drop nearly 5%, weekend bounce? Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the most well-known coins, have both lost a lot of value. BTC is now worth $29,780 and ETH is worth $1,889. As buyers keep a close eye on these events, they need to look into the technical outlook to figure out what the price might do in the next few days. The goal of this Bitcoin and Ethereum price forecast is to look at recent price changes and see if BTC and ETH might get a boost before the weekend. How much will Bitcoin cost? From an analytical point of view, Bitcoin is trading just above a key support level at $29,500. A triple bottom pattern in the 4-hour window is another sign that this support level is correct. Both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, show a negative trend. The RSI is at 42, and the MACD is below zero. At $29,995, just below the psychological level of $30,000, the 50